Welcome to the research world. Research posters are pivotal for the effective communication of scientific discoveries, enabling the rapid dissemination and critical evaluation of research findings within academic conferences. So, let's start. First of all, open any search engine and search for the PictoChart. Open this first website, that is pictochart.com. You can see on dashboard that it is providing us the infographics, presentations, posters, reports, flyers, etc. options. As we are looking for the posters, click on this posters option. Now, on the left side you can see that posters are available in the multiple categories. For example, the posters for conferences, for the events, for the promotions, scientific posters. Let's choose the conference posters. Here we can see that the PictoChart is presented us with the multiple editable posters. These are 100% editable, and you can use these templates. Click on Preview for watching full size. For example, I'm going to check this poster that is regarding the health. You can preview it. I want to edit this template for my use. We can make changes in this poster. For example, we can edit the Ultimate Health to the Quick Health. Let's change Global Health 2026 to Ultimate Health and Safety. You can also make changes in this picture portion. You can also change this picture. For example, I'm going to delete this picture, and I want to add my own picture here in this portion. Scroll down and click on My Uploads. Click on the Browse file and select the picture. Wait for it to upload your picture. So now you can use this picture over here. You can resize your picture. Now, click on this download option, and here you can download this PNG format. You can see that my PNG file has been downloaded. You can make such posters in the PictoChart. Thank you for watching.